this is the mess we have, right? We have logs that are matted, that are tangled, and that are full of vegetable matter. Logs like this, these have been washed with unicorn wash. So here's the difference, like a little bit of licking, from the logs washed to the way they come when they're raw. Raw means that they've just been cut from the sheep and they have still a lot of dirt, most often some bits of plants, hopefully no poop, but it depends on the farmer. Sometimes they are very, very tangled. These ones are gorgeous, but they do have a lot of lanolin, which is the grease that coats the sheep's wool, which is really good. But so this is a log. Once I've jet washed it first to eliminate as much debris as I can and to get most of the dirt out. Compare it to this, right? So we're going to clip all of these ones and rinse them, let them dry, or once they're wet I can submerge them in the soapy water so to get rid of that lanolin. And if you need to dry them out because you've run out of time, you can just lay them flat, take the clips off and let them air dry. Best to do this on a sunny day, so they do this quickly. I'll just take a few hours for them to be completely dry. I'm going to give them another bath once they're wet, but in the meantime that I process the rest, I'm gonna leave them here lying like this. So how do you turn this into this so that you can sew the wefts? So this is what we're going to do.